Hey everybody, Vinny here. I'm going to do another unboxing today. This is a Fallout 76 mystery box. I got this at Walmart not that long ago. It was actually on clearance. I think I paid around $7.95 for, which is a really good price. So you might want to check out your local Walmart, see if they still have them. And you got for Fallout 76. It's pretty cool. Get you the whole box here. So we can't go wrong for the price on it. So let's see what's inside. Alright, well, that's pretty cool. Get that there. That's pretty neat. So let's see what we got here. Got a coupon, which most likely is expired. 2019, it looks like. We got Tricentennial pin. It's pretty neat. That is really cool. I can't go wrong. Pair of socks. Nuka-Cola. Oh, I like that. Nuka World. That is pretty neat. Okay, nothing there. So we got. And we got a old boy. That's pretty cool. I like it. I like it. Pretty cool. And what else we got here? Oh, I like this. Pretty cool. Oh, it changes a little bit. So I like that. You can kind of see the sun and the moon right up there. Change. Yeah, that's pretty neat. I like it. That's pretty neat. Oh, and there's the holes where you can hang it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And last but not least, it's like a Nuka World mug, I believe. Yep. Let's open her up. Let's open this up. Alright. Let's see. I'll put the box here. Alright. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. It has a nice weight to it, too. Oh, that's pretty neat. I like it. Not bad for the price on it. Not sure what the original price was, but like I said, I paid $7.95 or 99 cents for it. I think it was a lot more original. Check out your Walmart, see if they still have them. Yeah, great price for this. Not bad at all. Get all this. All right, and this is my unboxing for a fold-out 76 box. And like I said, it looks like it must have came out in 2019. And hopefully, if you like this and you can find it, it's actually a really good deal. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and click that notification bell. Thank you again so much.